cat than this word.
Ano
Okay?
yan?
I-guess mo yung name niya. Guess your name. Dapat English, ha?
Monster?
Ma, ano to? TV.
PB.
Hindi.
Hindi ko alam yan kasi.
Okay. Pangalan niya si B. Okay. Okay. Ito ay strawberry.
Strawberry.
Ma, yan yung items nila. Hindi yan yung names nila. Guess ka lang ng ibang name.
Scooby-Doo.
Hindi. Wait. Okay. Ito ay moon.
Muni. Tama?
No. It's astro. Ito ay music box. Guess the name.
Music is.
Music is. Ito ay lamp.
Lumpy-dumpy. Hindi ko kasi alam yan.
Ito.
Sadi.
No, ito ay call.
Calling.
Yan, close enough, but her name is actually Apple.
Annoying.
No, her name is actually Cole. Okay, next. Ma, next. Next, ito ay ghost.
Go Sisi.
Ikaw
Hindi ko
sa...
na alam yan.
Okay.
Tatai ako lang.
No. Okay. This one is a pastry.
Pastry.
Parang cake.
Bready.
His name is actually Cosmo though.
Hindi ko kasi alam yan.
Okay lang yan.
Hirap naman yan.
Okay, this is an egg.
Eggy.
No, his name is actually Eggson. This one is a fish tank.
Galing mo naman.
This one is a fish
Yeah,
tank.
tatai ako lang.
No!
Tatai ako, hindi ko alam yan.
Ma,
Oh.
guess this. Para sa video niya.
Sige.
Guess this. Okay.
What was that?
This is a fish tank.
Okay. Tanker.
No, it's pin. And this one is a butterfly.
Hearty butt.
Okay. You can just guess any name. Okay. This one is a gachapon. Para nakikita mo sa machines thingy, no? Yan.
Machinish.
There is a ginger cookie.
Cookie, sis.
Her name is
Tama?
her name is just Ginger. And this one is a mirror. I just one.
Mirror, yeah? Mirror in the wall.
This is a pet rock.
Fish.
Bro, there is a fish. There is a pet rock.
Rocky.
Pebble.
Pebble. Hi, Pebble.
Okay, guess that. This is a bubble.
Bubble.
Yeah.
Hi, Bubble. Bubble cup.
Guess what? This is a balloon animal. It could be a dog. I don't know.
I think
It's just a dog.
his name is Looney.
Oh my God, so close.
Looney?
No, it's Louis.
Oh.
This. Wait, let me just put this there. Okay. Guess this one. This is a crab. Like it's made from paper, and it's just a crab made cat. Guess this one.
Trashy cat.
No. And this is Trashy Cat's sister. I mean, this is
Bro?
No, this
Bro, Trashika?
no, this is a crop too, but it's actually boy. So his name was actually Good.
Good. Hi, good.
Okay, wait, let me just switch this up again. Okay, right there. Okay, now next. These are comedy masks.
Twin mask.
No, we have more.
I'm going to poop.
I don't care. There is a magnet.
One eye.
This just a magnetized glass. This one is, I mean, the magnet. Wait, one eye has a family. Okay, this is his wife. This is his wife. She is a teacup.
YPT.
Okay. And this one is his daughter, which is a 8-ball.
8-ball.
And this one is a rude
Dog.
Rudolph. Okay, yeah. Okay, understandable. This one is a shell, which adds.
Shelly.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hi, Shelly.
Her name is actually Shelly.
Shelly.
You got something right at least. Okay, next to the question. This one is
Angry
a
bird.
shrimp. There is a shrimp. But his name is actually Shrimpo. And this one is a tissue box. But the TIS adds a hint to her name.
Tissue.
And this one is a piñata.
What is that?
It's a piñata. Para sa birthday mo.
Oh.
It also rhymes with her name.
Pineapple.
And this one is a chocolate bunny.
Chocolate buddy.
Bunny, yeah.
Chucky.
Her name is actually and this one is guess this one. This is a basket. And okay, this one is a basket. This is a basket.
Basket.
Okay, last one. This one. It is a mosque. Like, it's like the butterfly you see, like the heart but.
Butter heart.
Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it for the video. You can now go poo-poo.